Hey guys, welcome back to Variant Cooking. Today we're going to be making pesto, one of my favorite sauces to put, I don't know if you can call it a sauce, but whatever it is. First thing that you're going to need is 25 grams of basil, or about 1 ounce of basil. Then 3 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 4 tablespoons of toasted almonds. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of Parmesan, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Alright, so now that we've smashed our garlic, taken off all of the lovely skins that we don't want in our pesto, we're just going to go ahead and give it a quick chop. It doesn't have to be anything super fine because we're just going to throw it into our blender. Or if you have a food processor, you guys can go ahead and use that. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is toast your almonds. As you can see, we got this little blackened piece on it. That's perfect. You don't want it super black, but just a nice little toast on it. I just had mine on medium heat for probably about 5 minutes. We're gonna just give our almonds a quick chop, and you might have almonds flying, and that's okay. We aren't going for a really fine chop because it's all going in the blender, man, so makes it easy. We can be lazy. All right, next up, we're gonna get our basil going. Just dump that out. We aren't gonna give it a real fine chop, maybe a little bit better than everything else we've been doing. Just because it's gonna be all, guess what? Going in the blender. Into our beautiful, beautiful little blender. Try not to spill. This stuff's worth its weight in gold. Okay, so now we're gonna use our fine grater. Go ahead and grate some Parmesan. I recommend getting a nice little block like this. It's because the pre-grated stuff has kind of like a plastic, waxy film to it. I don't like it, so I try and stick to just block cheese. All right, we got it all grated up. We're gonna do 4 tablespoons. I just dropped my tablespoon on the floor. Don't feel like washing it, so we're gonna do 8 of these. Okay, so now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm cheap, I'm fast. I'd rather just buy one of these. All right, a little salt and pepper. Now we already got that cheese in there, it's already pretty salty, so shouldn't have to worry too much about how much salt's going in. All right, let's blend this baby. All right, throw on our lid, get it going.
A few moments later.
Now you can see that mine has stopped moving. That means we need to add a little bit of water. All right, there you have it, guys. We got our beautiful pesto. It's real good, very garlicky. If you aren't a huge fan of the garlic, only put in maybe 2 to 4 cloves of garlic. But keep an eye out for our following video for the applications of pesto and what you can use it in. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe down below. We're gonna be coming out with some more content. Leave a comment down below of what you guys would like to see, and we'll catch you later, guys.